everyone, today I'm going to show you another DIY hair and scalp treatment. It is very easy to make and most of the ingredients you will already have at home. I am going to show you how I actually mixed it together. So I have my treatment right here, which is just 1 egg, dahi or plain yogurt, and also some olive oil. So it's very simple and it's very nourishing for your hair and scalp. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to apply it. So you want to just loose your hair, and again I'm going to make a nice middle part here. Split your hair into 2, and the first thing that I'm going to do is apply it to my scalp. So you want to apply it kind of similar to how you would do a color. If you don't have a bottle like this, that's fine. You can just use a brush and a bowl. So I'm just applying it to my scalp first. But it really does help if you have a little bottle. So even if you want to put it into a water bottle, you know, it's just easier to pour. Okay, so I'm just going to continue applying it to my scalp. Once you're finished applying it throughout your scalp, you want to give your scalp a nice little massage. Then you can go ahead and apply it throughout your hair. So before you do that, you want to put on a towel, secure your clothes. I'm just going to use a clip to secure it so it don't fall off, right? And then you can split your hair into 2 again, so just be easier to manage. And there you go. You want to really saturate your ends. Make sure your hair feels really moist with this treatment. If your hair is very thick, I would suggest that you split it into 4. So you will split it this way. So you'll do this portion, then this portion, and then the other side. So if your hair is very thick, consider making 4 sections instead of 2. Okay, so I feel like this treatment is really evenly distributed from root to ends and all through my scalp. So what I want to do is just use up the rest of my DIY treatment. And just take your time, and you can just continue saturating your hair and your scalp. You can even hold all your hair up like this, and it's all in there. So once you have used up all your treatment, just get your hair up in a bun like this, and then you can take your plastic cap place your hair in it. And you can leave this on for 30 minutes and wash and condition as you usually would. And I'm going to be right back after my 30 minutes and show you what my hair looks like after I'm washing it. Hi guys, just one little tip. You can see that the treatment is actually running down on my face. So just to prevent that, I just took a paper towel and I cut it in half and just kind of double it like this. You can roll it up like this. And what you can do is pull your cap a little bit closer to your hairline and take your paper towel and put it alongside your hairline like this and under your paper towel. So that way whatever is going to run down, it would kind of absorb onto your paper towel. Just wouldn't get all over your skin. I don't like sticky stuff, so this is basically what you want to do, and you can just wrap it all around your hair like this, and that should take care of that leaky stuff. My hair looks so shiny and so nice. I have absolutely nothing in it. I did not put any serum or anything or any shine or anything. This is just after my DIY treatment. So I hope you all try this at home. And if you do, send me pictures and let me know what you think about this treatment. Bye guys!